Welcome to GSL City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at the brand new 2020 Chevrolet Trail Boss 1500. This big beautiful blue truck is powered by the 5.3 liter V8 mated to the new 10-speed automatic transmission. Jumping up into the interior of this big truck, we do have the 4x4 push buttons here, as well as your lights and your transmission selecting mode. Heated steering wheel, black leather with the silver stitching, cruise control button, black Chevy bow tie, and your dash selection buttons. This is a new truck, only 38 kilometers on it. Push button start. You have that 8-inch touchscreen for your navigation, audio, and climate controls. Heated front seats and all the dual USB outlets there. This truck is tow ready, has that integrated trailer braking system as well. Beautiful little working system, dual glove boxes, wooden trim pieces, and of course the big black luxurious looking and feeling seats here in this Trail Boss. Back on the exterior here of this truck, we do have those beautiful blacked out 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrax. Now this is an off-road oriented truck, the Trail Boss, so it does have the factory lift kit as well, 2 inches in the front and 1 inch in the rear. You do have that beautiful badging, the Trail Boss there. You have the C LED lighting in the front as well, and the LED lighting in the tail lights. Moving on to the back here, the blacked out bumpers with the dual exhaust coming out the rear. As mentioned, that tow hitch right there ready to tow. And that beautiful soft open and closed tailgate with Chevrolet stamped into it there. Back onto the interior here, we do have the 60/40 leather split with easy fold up seats, fold right back down. Do have those beautiful dual USB outlets as well. Black leather on the rear as well. Lots of room in this full-size truck. They really pushed back these seats, so there's more than enough foot room for anyone. And if you're a taller passenger in the rear, you have that extra headroom as well, so it is not a worry for comfort. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-on video on this brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. We hope you come down and take it for a test drive down at GSL City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.